Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was messing with the truck trying to figure out why it died, had no power. I didn't figure it out in the parking lot yesterday. I got pulled home. So what it ended up being is not a fusible link, but the wire that was going to a fusible link. So I took a digital I was doing probing on this junction box, and it ended up being this wire. I tested the stud it was on, it had power. I tested after the fuse it used to be here, and it didn't have power, so I assumed it was the fuse itself. And we tested the fuse after I cut it out, and it was good, so that kind of sucked. But what it ended up being is this wire disconnected in the insulation, and that's all it was. So I butt connected the wire back together for temporary testing purposes, and now stuff works. So thought maybe it was a fusible link, and after talking to my dad, I was kind of on the right track. But it ended up not being the fusible link itself, but the wire it was connected to, which is kind of funny. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys. I figured it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you.